Welcome to the raw heartbeat of modern mining, where power, precision, and experience come together to move thousands of tons every single day. Today, you're stepping into a real production environment where massive machines work in perfect rhythm, turning solid ground into progress. This is CAT 6015B 2-pass and Liebherr 974 loading Mercedes and MAN trucks, and what you're about to see is industrial efficiency at its finest. In this video, you'll watch two heavyweight excavators performing high production truck loading in active mining operations. From controlled 2-pass loading to smooth hydraulic movements and clean bucket dumps, this is a close-up look at how professional operators and powerful machines keep material moving without interruption. Front and center is the Caterpillar 6015B, a purpose-built mining excavator designed for serious production. With an operating weight that can exceed 140 tons depending on configuration, the 6015B is engineered to handle dense material day after day. Its high-output diesel engine delivers enormous torque at low engine speeds, allowing the machine to dig aggressively while maintaining fuel efficiency under continuous load. Watch closely as the 6015B performs 2-pass truck loading. Instead of overloading the bucket or rushing the cycle, the operator fills the truck body in 2 controlled passes. This method improves accuracy, reduces spillage, and ensures even load distribution. Look at this angle as the bucket enters the material. The reinforced boom and stick absorb immense forces, while the hydraulic system delivers smooth, predictable power. As the excavator swings toward the truck, notice how stable the machine remains even with a full bucket. That stability comes from a wide undercarriage, optimized counterweight, and a heavy-duty swing system built to withstand thousands of repetitive cycles. Each swing is deliberate, minimizing unnecessary movement and protecting components from excessive stress. Now focus on the truck positioning. Mercedes and MAN trucks are placed to reduce swing distance and improve cycle times. Watch closely as each bucket lands centrally in the truck body. Balanced loads like reduce wear on suspension systems, tires, and frames, while also improving safety during hauling on rough mine roads. The 2-pass loading technique you're seeing is often used to maximize payload accuracy. Overloading a truck can cause long-term mechanical issues, while underloading reduces efficiency. 2-pass loading strikes the perfect balance, especially when material density varies. This approach helps maintain consistent production without sacrificing equipment health. Shift your attention now to the Liebherr 974, a proven workhorse in heavy mining applications. Known for its robust construction and smooth hydraulic performance, the 974 offers excellent control during continuous loading operations. With a powerful hydraulic system and a well-balanced upper structure, this machine excels at steady, reliable production. Watch closely as the Liebherr 974 fills its bucket. The material flows cleanly, and the boom and stick move with precision rather than aggression. Look at this moment as the bucket dumps. Notice how controlled the release is, reducing dust and material rebound. Clean loading like this keeps the work area safer and more efficient. Operator skill is the common factor driving performance across both machines. These operators aren't just reacting, they're anticipating. Each movement is timed to match truck arrival, material conditions, and machine response. Dig, swing, dump, return. That rhythm is the foundation of high-output mining operations. Here's an interesting fact. Even a 5-second reduction in average cycle time can result in hundreds of additional tons moved per shift. That's why consistency matters more than speed. Machines like the CAT 6015B and Liebherr 974 are designed to deliver repeatable performance, but it's the operator who unlocks their full potential. Watch the trucks cycle through the loading zone. There's no congestion, no idle time. This smooth flow is critical in mining, where delays in one area quickly affect the entire operation. Excavators must keep trucks moving, and trucks must return quickly to maintain continuous production. Both machines are likely operating in heavy-duty or power modes. In these settings, hydraulic systems prioritize digging force and swing speed, while still managing fuel efficiency through intelligent load sensing technology. Power is delivered exactly when it's needed, without wasting energy on unnecessary movement. Look at this. Angle as the 6015B completes another 2-pass load. The bucket placement is precise and spillage is minimal. Clean loading reduces cleanup work, protects tires, and keeps haul roads in better condition. These small details add up to significant cost savings over time. Mining operations depend on systems like this. Excavators extracting material, trucks hauling it away, and processing continuing without interruption. Every smooth cycle you see supports the larger production chain. When machines, operators, and planning align, productivity stays high and downtime stays low. If you're enjoying this close-up look at real mining equipment at work, take a moment to like the video. It really helps support the channel. And if you've operated excavators or haul trucks yourself, drop a comment below and share your experience. We'd love to hear it. As loading continues, notice how both machines maintain consistent cycle times without rushing. This controlled pace reduces operator fatigue and extends component life. High production doesn't come from pushing machines to their limits, it comes from working them smartly. This is modern mining in action, organized, powerful, and precise. The CAT 6015B and Liebherr 974, working alongside Mercedes and MAN trucks, form a reliable system capable of moving massive volumes of material day after day. Thank you for watching CAT 6015B 2-Pass and Liebherr 974 loading Mercedes and MAN trucks, mining operations. If you enjoyed this close-up look at heavy machinery in real-world conditions, don't forget to subscribe for more high-quality mining and construction content. Stay tuned. Our next video will bring you even closer to the machines that shape our world, with more power, more precision, and more impressive operations ahead.